Welcome to the Venetian. This home has 1,660 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, and a leisure room. Here we are in the light and bright great room. You have plenty of space for entertaining for family and friends, and it even leads on to the lanai where you can continue all of your entertaining. And here we are in the dining room that leads into the great open space of the kitchen. You have large counters, walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of room for family and friends. And here we are in the leisure room, which is a great flex space right off of the dining kitchen area. You can even enclose it with double doors and make it a true den. Welcome to the master bedroom. It offers 10-foot ceilings, space enough for a king-size bed, and even a chair to kick off your shoes. When you enter the master bath, you have 2 closets, a walk-in shower, double vanity, and private water closet. The Venetian floor plan has a guest bedroom at the far end of the home, offering privacy to both guests and the homeowner. The guest bathroom is conveniently located off of the guest hall. The large laundry room is located off of the garage hall for easy access. Thank you for touring the Venetian with me today. We hope to see you around and about Kingsgate and welcome you as our new neighbors.